Hello, my name is Dione Crawford, and this is my project deep dive. This part is a continuation of it. It's a deep learning uh, project which utilizes Inception from Google's Deep Dream project to try to create images similar to the way that human beings' brains work and how we dream. So I've taken that ability to apply that to flat images, and now you can wrap that same style around a 3D model. And so this right here is downloading Google's Inception model, and it prints out when it's finished downloading. It has a lot of installs associated with it. So we'll just start running those. And so we basically just start out with a random gray image and a little noise to start everything. I don't really print this out uh, since it's just a small gray square. And then we get to the fun part, which is where you get to upload your own images. So I personally chose a little ninja cat, so I think those are pretty cool. And then I'll continue to run things. Sometimes it has an issue, and made in collab, or if you try to run it all, it has an issue of human inputs. And after that, you're free to run everything else. So I'll continue to run it all. And it shows the image that you chose before the deep dream. And it continues on down the code. And then it gets to the point where you can use these sliders and change basically the effect on the image and how strong the deep dream is, across what scale it goes, what sort of layer you wanna use to affect your image. Each layer has different focuses, so it's really up to you completely how you want your image to look like. And right now it's going through and generating each frame of the image, since octaves work by going tile from tile and breaking up the large image into small tiles to apply it in. And so once this finishes loading, you'll continue on. And so then we have our finished Deep Dream image, but that's not it. That's not all. Because then we're going to download the meshes here. And these meshes are the 3D objects that we're going to wrap the image around. And for some reason, I think it's related to having to call in the Google layers again for the 3D part, but it causes some color irregularities when it saves the array here as a PNG. And then we go on down. It's saved as a PNG now. You could download it. And we go on down. And we can see that it's actually taking the style of the image that we just made and wrapping it around like this 3D bunny model. And so it'll go through frame by frame of all sorts of directions of the bunny. And it will show you its progress in that at the bottom. And the time prints out. And there you can see frame by frame, it sort of gains more and more color and depth and gets really vivid using the layers and styles and attributes that you had just assigned. And then we have our finished product here that we can manipulate in 3D space, drag it and rotate it around. We can add some shade, some shadows to it, and even